The year that was, right.
Yeah.
Well, I think my immediate reflection actually is not that one looks at 2010, but one probably looks at the last 3 or 4 years
Okay.
As a group, and concludes that investment has been a pretty disappointing activity for most of that period of time.
Right.
Of course, there's an up and a down, but if we take the Vietnamese index, the VNI,
Okay.
it is currently still below the level where it was 5 years ago. It's been up above that and down below that, but it's still currently. So I think 2010 is another year of uninteresting returns from investing in the Vietnamese market. But if one were to look at 2010 in isolation, there's another factor, which is that the big story in Asia is, of course, flows of capital.
Right.
Towards developing countries, towards Asian markets, in particular, to the extent that, of course, people now talk about currency wars as governments in Indonesia and China, Thailand are trying to stop the flows,
Right.
the inflows, because of the effects that's having on their domestic economies. Whereas Vietnam, broadly speaking, was ignored by those flows. Of course, the net flow of foreign capital in was positive, but not significant enough to have much impact on the financial situation, as we know.
Right. What do you think that indicates?
Well, it's a function of the international perception of Vietnam, frankly. That's what it is, which is, let's be honest, is not terribly positive at the moment.